A total solar eclipse will occur on Monday, November 25, 2030. A solar eclipse happens when the moon moves in front of the sun, completely or partially blocking the sun's image for viewers on Earth. A total solar eclipse occurs when the moon's apparent diameter is larger than the sun's, blocking all direct sunlight and turning day into darkness. So in this video, let's discuss the November 25, 2030 solar eclipse. Guys, there is a small reminder. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any newly uploaded videos. Hang on till the end of the video, so you don't miss any part of this interesting video. So, let's dive in. The eclipse path. Beginning in the Atlantic Ocean, this eclipse travels through southern Africa and the southern Indian Ocean before reaching down for the first time in Australia on the west coast of the Eyre Peninsula in the late afternoon local time. Before leaving the Earth's surface, the path continues across rural and outback South Australia, passing through the Gawler and Flinders Ranges, through the corner country of outback New South Wales, and finally through outback and rural southern Queensland. The entire 1,800-kilometer-long path of total eclipse through Australia is traversed by the moon's shadow in a few minutes. Towns and locations within the path include Streaky Bay, Seal Bay, Venus Bay, Poochera, Wadena, Wirrala, Hawker, Ronsley Park, Wilpena, Parachilna, Beltana, Blinman, the entire Gawler Ranges National Park, the entire Ikara Flinders Ranges National Park, Taiborbura, Milparinka, Hungerford, Cunnamulla, Surrey and Miles. The eclipse. The maximum eclipse moment occurs on November 25, 2030, at 6 hours 51 minutes and 37 seconds TD. This is 0.6 days before the moon reaches the perigee. The sun will be in the constellation Scorpius during the eclipse. The synodic month in which the eclipse takes place has a brown lunation number of 1335. The eclipse, which is number 46 out of 72 in the series, is a part of Saros 133. This set of eclipses all take place at the ascending node of the moon. The moon moves southward with respect to the node with each succeeding eclipse in the series, and gamma decreases. The maximum duration of totality for this eclipse will be 3 minutes and 44 seconds. You must be located among the previously listed locations to experience the whole phase of the eclipse, otherwise, just a partial solar eclipse will be seen. Eclipse viewing in Australia on November 25, 2030. Locations that see this total eclipse will also see about an hour of partial solar eclipse beforehand. A further hour of partial solar eclipse occurs after the total eclipse. Locations in South Australia will see it completely, however, New South Wales and Queensland will miss it due to sunset. Locations east of Miles, at the very end of the total eclipse path in southeast Queensland, will see this total eclipse at sunset, so atmospheric refraction on the day will affect its visibility in these places. Australia will only experience a partial solar eclipse outside of the total eclipse path, which will be interrupted by sunset for locations in Queensland, the eastern half of New South Wales, and the northeastern third of Northern Territory. Eclipse predictions. The JPL-DE 405 solar and lunar ephemerides were used to create predictions for the total solar eclipse of November 25, 2030. The lunar coordinates were calculated with respect to the moon's center of Massachusetts. Both terrestrial dynamical time and universal time are used to provide the predictions. To convert between these two times, use the parameter delta t. For this eclipse, delta t has a value of 74.2 seconds. Safety instructions. Never try to construct your own filter. The sun also produces enormous amounts of infrared and ultraviolet radiation that cannot be seen but can still harm your eyes. Even if a homebrew filter appears adequate, it may allow this unseen radiation to pass. Also, never attempt to point a pair of binoculars or a telescope at an object close to the sun. Doing so may result in immediate and permanent blindness. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell us what you think about this video below in the comment section. Let's meet again with another interesting video.